This is Nigel Thorne from Monitor Sports with the second in our series Ski Shooting for Beginners. Today, ski shooters, we're going to be exploring the wild and wonderful world of wax. I'm here to unveil the three biggest secrets behind ski shooting success: glide, glide and glide. After spending time with the Swedish Ski Shooting Association, I can reveal the key ingredient to ski shooting speed: maximum hold. Simply apply wax in the following areas. Here 4 times, here 5 times, and finish by filing the affected areas to achieve maximum speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ski shooters, never apply wax here. I'll see you on the track.